Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and trading for you. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Bybit in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio or just moving funds for a better deal, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. Let's jump right in. First things first, before you start, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitget and Bybit. You'll need some USDT in your Bitget wallet, and remember, always double-check your balances to avoid any surprises. Also, keep an eye on the network you're using. Most transfers for USDT happen on the Tron or Ethereum network, so select the right one to minimize fees. Step 1. Log into your Bitget account. Head over to the wallet section and select USDT. Now, click on Withdraw and enter the amount you want to transfer. You'll need to input your Bybit deposit address. Don't worry, I'll explain how to get that next. Pro tip: always verify the address to prevent any costly mistakes, as crypto transfers are irreversible. Step 2. On Bybit, go to your account dashboard and navigate to the deposit page. Choose USDT and select the same network you picked on Bitget for a seamless transfer. Copy the deposit address provided. It's usually a long string of letters and numbers. Paste this carefully into the withdrawal form on Bitget. Once you've confirmed the details, hit Withdraw on Bitget. You'll see a confirmation screen. Review everything one last time. The transfer might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion, so grab a coffee and keep an eye on your Bybit account for the funds to appear. A quick word of caution: be aware of any transaction fees, which can vary based on the network. In 2025, with evolving regulations, always stay updated on any new policies from Bitget or Bybit. If you're new to this, consider starting with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Bitget to Bybit. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.